Hello and welcome back to the Chop Busters. In this video, we're taking a look at 20 essential construction tools that all come in under $100. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional looking for budget-friendly gear, this list covers reliable, cost-effective options that get the job done. Milwaukee Inkzall Jobsite Markers. The Milwaukee Inkzall Jobsite Markers, priced at $3.97, are designed for tough job site conditions. They feature a clog-resistant tip that writes easily on dusty, wet, and oily surfaces, and are built to perform on rough materials like concrete, OSB, and cinder block. Soccer Multifunction Scribing Tool. The Soccer Multifunction Scribing Tool, priced at $28.79, is a versatile and compact tool designed for precision marking. Its adjustable design allows you to change its shape by simply loosening or tightening the pencil holder and nut, then locking it in place for accurate results. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, it offers durability and a long service life. Laser Level with Bubble Vials. The $59.97 Laser Level with Bubble Vials delivers precise horizontal laser lines and spots for consistent leveling. It features 3 bubble vials for horizontal, vertical, and cross-level accuracy. A strong magnetic base enables hands-free use on metal surfaces. With a 75-foot laser range, it suits large indoor spaces. Designed for versatility, it includes a removable leveling stand and top-view vial windows for improved visibility on uneven surfaces. 16G A Finish Nailer Kit. The 16-gauge finish nailer kit, priced at $100, features a powerful cordless design that eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges. Powered by a high-performance motor, it can drive up to 375 nails per charge, making it ideal for a range of materials and climate conditions. It includes convenient features like tool-free depth adjustment, jam and stall settings, and a belt hook for quick access. Soccer Carpenter Square Tool. The Soccer Carpenter Square Tool, priced at $39.88, is a foldable, multifunctional measuring tool designed for precision and portability. Its unique 12-inch folding design makes it compact enough to fit in a toolbox, yet offers a larger marking range than standard 7-inch rulers. Compact Palm Nailer. The Compact Palm Nailer, priced at $100, offers cordless convenience and exceptional portability, making it ideal for tight or hard-to-reach spaces where a traditional hammer won't fit. Its ergonomic palm-style grip provides superior comfort and control during use. Despite its compact size, it effectively drives 100mm framing nails in under 3 seconds and can drive up to 190mm nails on a single charge, delivering both speed and efficiency for framing and other heavy-duty tasks. Portable 1-gallon air compressor. The portable 1-gallon oil-free, quiet air compressor, priced at $100, combines ultra-quiet operation with impressive performance in a compact design. Operating at just 59 decibels, it's quiet enough to allow normal conversation during use, creating a more comfortable work environment. Weighing only 25.2 pounds, it features a rubber carrying handle and durable steel roll cage for easy transport and rugged reliability. 20-volt portable fan. The 20-volt portable fan, priced at $98.99, delivers powerful airflow up to 450 cubic feet per minute with its 9-inch blade. Part of the Works Nitro line, it offers enhanced power, performance, and runtime. The Ready Charge feature lets you run the fan while charging the battery. Compact and versatile, it's compatible with all Works 20-volt and 40-volt power share tools, making it a seamless addition to your existing setup. Professional Hand Mixer. The Professional Hand Mixer, priced at $74.85, features a 1,300-watt motor with 6 variable speeds 0 to 5,000 revolutions per minute for powerful, controlled mixing. Built with durable, lightweight materials and a carbon steel mixing rod, it ensures faster, more efficient results. Ideal for mixing cement, mortar, paint, resins, and more, it boosts productivity while reducing effort, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks across various job sites. Ingco Blower. The Ingco Blower, priced at $23.40, is a compact and efficient tool designed for quick and easy cleanup tasks. Powered by a 20-volt system, it offers 2 speed settings with a no-load speed range of 0 to 9,000 and 0 to 18,000 RPM, allowing flexibility for different applications. With a maximum air volume of 2.7 cubic meters per minute, it delivers strong airflow to effectively clear dust, debris, or leaves, making it a practical addition to any workshop, garage, or outdoor space. Palm Ratchet Screwdriver Set. The King Tony Palm Ratchet Screwdriver Set, priced at $46.56, includes 49 durable pieces for versatile use. Its compact, ergonomic palm ratchet handle provides excellent control in tight spaces. Ideal for professionals and DIYers alike, it features a wide range of screw and nut drivers for various tasks. Crafted from high-quality materials, each bit ensures long-lasting performance and reliability for everyday repairs and precision work. KNIPEX TubiX S Pipe Cutter. The KNIPEX TubiX S Pipe Cutter, priced at $100, delivers precise pipe cutting in tight spaces. Its quick-lock one-hand mechanism ensures secure clamping and easy use, even on stainless steel. It cuts pipes from 3 to 30 millimeters in diameter and up to 2 millimeters thick, requiring minimal clearance. With a spring-loaded cutting wheel and needle bearings, it offers smooth, accurate cuts for professional-grade performance. CutiX Cutter Universel. The CutiX Universal Cutter, priced at $38.31, is a compact, high-performance utility knife built for precision and durability. It features an extendable stabilization bar for controlled, accurate cuts without bending or blade breakage. Housed in lightweight yet tough magnesium, it offers a secure grip with multiple textured zones for comfort and control. The cutter includes a reliable blade locking system, high-quality snap-off blades, and 2 spare blades stored in the handle. 4-piece Circlip Pliers Set. The 4-piece Circlip Pliers Set, priced at $51.74, is engineered for precision, durability, and ease of use. Crafted from high-density bearing steel, the upgraded tips offer exceptional wear resistance for long-term performance. A hidden spring mechanism with precision-riveted joints keeps the internal components protected from dust and debris, ensuring smooth operation. Color-coded handles, red for external circlips and blue for internal, make tool selection quick and error-free, improving workflow and efficiency. Cordless Combi Drill. The Cordless Combi Drill, priced at $46.87, delivers high performance and versatility with its advanced motor and compatibility with the EXT lithium-ion battery. Designed for drilling, driving, and impact tasks, it features 20 torque settings, a dual-speed gearbox, and forward-reverse operation for both speed and control. Optimized for extended battery runtime, it's ideal for a range of applications, from light-duty to tougher jobs. A built-in belt hook adds convenience, keeping the drill easily accessible during work. Ultrablade 8M Tape Measure. The Ultrablade 8M Tape Measure, priced at $20.64, is built for durability and precision on demanding job sites. Its 32mm nylon-wrapped blade features an anti-tear coating, reducing wear and extending lifespan. With an impressive 4-meter standout, it offers stable, extended measurements without bending. The rugged ABS housing with TPR overmold ensures impact resistance, while double-sided printing allows easy reading from any angle. A magnetic end hook provides secure grip on metal surfaces for hands-free use. OX Tuff Rule. The OX Tuff Rule, priced at $66.01, is a durable and precise measuring tool built for tough job site use. Its rugged ABS plastic body and premium brass hinges ensure long-lasting reliability. With clearly highlighted 1/16-inch marked increments, it offers excellent readability and accuracy in all working conditions. It also features a built-in angle finder for marking miters and identifying structural angles with ease. Wallboard TEXTURE-PRO. The Wallboard TEXTURE-PRO, priced at $100, is a versatile hopper gun designed for efficient wall and ceiling texturing. With a one-piece body and comfort grip handle, it offers user-friendly control and durability on the job. It features on-gun air pressure and flow adjustment, allowing for precise texture application. Capable of spraying up to 1 3/4 gallons of most gravity-fed materials, including acoustic, drywall, waterproofing, stucco, and pool deck sealants. GelFit Stabiliser Knee Pads. The GelFit Stabiliser Knee Pads by Tuff Built, priced at $38.99, offer unmatched comfort and support for demanding job site conditions. Featuring a patented snap shell system, the stabilizer shell can be removed or swapped to suit different tasks, providing a fully customizable fit. The ergonomic gel and foam core conforms to the knee and upper shin, distributing pressure evenly for all-day wear. With a wide footprint across the front, sides, and rear, these pads prevent tipping and reduce ankle strain. Roberts Carpet Trimmer. The Roberts Carpet Trimmer, priced at $49.99, is designed for clean, precise trimming along walls and under toe kicks. It features a 5-position folding rubber handle for improved maneuverability in tight spaces, making it ideal for detailed carpet work. With quick vertical and horizontal adjustments, it adapts easily to different carpet thicknesses. The anti-slip rubber handle ensures a firm grip, while the hardened stainless steel guide adds durability and precision. That wraps up our list of 20 construction tools under $100. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the Chop Busters for more practical gear guides, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates.